Here's how to use the gestures on your Logitech MX Master 3S. First thing you need to do is download and install the Logitech Options Plus software. From there, you want to click on the mouse you'll be using. Then over here, there's a tab for gestures. When you click on this, you'll see the default option is for virtual desktops. So from here, there's a button right here that you can push and it locks your mouse cursor on the screen. But as long as you move the mouse in a certain way, you can start doing some of these actions. So like if we push down and move to the right, it moves to our right desktop. Push down, move to the left, moves to our left desktop. If you push down and move up, it opens the start menu. If you push down without moving anywhere, it pops up all your virtual displays. And lastly, if you push down and move down, it exposes your desktop. You can customize these options within the software by choosing this virtual desktops menu here. There's media controls, Windows management, app navigation, zoom, rotate, pan, and others. So modify everything in this menu right here. If there's any questions, please leave in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.